How to summarize and compare data in IELTS Writing Task 1 Academic. In IELTS Writing Task 1 Academic, your main job is to summarize the data or the visual information given to you and highlight key comparisons. Here, you don't have to explain each and every detail. Instead, you have to explain the key features and show how they relate to each other. Let's break it down into 3 steps. Step number 1, write a clear overview. This is the most important step. You should think of it as a big picture. You have to write 1 to 2 sentences, and this is a summary of biggest trends or features given in the visual information. For example, you might say, overall, the number of users increased dramatically over the period. Or, overall, Europe had the highest figures while Africa had the lowest. This shows that you understand what the chart is about. Step number 2, group the data instead of listing everything. Instead of describing each number one by one, look for patterns like what increased, what decreased, which groups are similar, which groups are very different, etc. For example, if 2 lines on a graph move in the same direction, you can describe them together. If a category stands out as highest or lowest, give it special attention. This makes your writing organized and analytical. Step number 3, compare using precise language. Task 1 is all about comparison. Use words like highest, lowest, less, more, increased dramatically, remained stable, etc. Example comparison, sales of smartphones rose sharply to 8 million, while tablet sales remained relatively stable at around 20 million. This shows range and accuracy, which boosts your score for vocabulary. Final tips. Focus on key features only, not on every minor detail. Spend time planning overview because it significantly affects your score. Keep your writing formal, clear, and structured. By summarizing main trends, grouping information, and making clear comparisons, you can write a perfect Writing Task 1 answer. I hope that helps. Happy learning.
വിദേശ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസമാണോ നിങ്ങളുടെ ലക്ഷ്യം? IELTS ഈസിയായി ക്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യാം നീതൂസ് അക്കാഡമിയിലൂടെ.